now we can't read the side. We are discharging the wood. Because of the way today we suffer small, no? So we have to leave the wood for tomorrow. Then we start they give the treatment. You know? So that be our spray machine, the spray machine, and then the gallon of diesel. But the diesel we are buying 3, but because we don't have the gallon, so we have to finish one. Then we go for another one. Somebody must say that the wood is plenty, but before you see, you have been going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Then the weight is coming down, or the pressure is coming down.
So that is a full our chief carpenter, on Gigo Production Group, and here we are again with another motivational video from one of our subscribers here on the channel. And I think he's building a townhouses, so I think later we'll be coming up with more details about this project. We'll be creating a playlist as we always do, but today's video is about roofing, so we'll be focusing more on the roofing, and in our upcoming videos we'll be updating you of this townhouses and how it will go. It comes with a swimming pool and all of that, so just watch out for this project. So as you can see, after they bought the wood from the market, they are discharging the wood. As you can see, the foundation is also going on for the other houses which will be coming up. Like I said, we'll be updating you of this particular project and how it will be going. The location is in Atimpoku. Atimpoku is just after Shire Hills. If you are going to Akosomo, or if you're going to Ho, the Volta region, it's close by the Volta Lake also. And Akosomo is one of the beautiful places. You can go on retirement. I will say that it has the greenery, it has the mountain view, and it has the lake, right? So I mean, Akosomo is one of the top places you ever go on retirement. If you want water is there. If you want greenery also, it has its mountain views and all of that. So this project is close by Royal Sanctuary, right? So those of you that goes on holidays and vacation around Akosomo, Royal Sanctuary. That's where this project is around. So you can imagine having a townhouses in this location, or you buying or renting one of these houses is a plus. You also have the trainway passes by this area, this community. So just watch out for this particular project. We'll be giving you more updates of it. So fast forward, we've already done with the roofing. I mean, I've been sharing roofing process here on the channel for some time now. I don't want to be repeating it over and over and over and over. So as you saw how we started, and how it was before we started with the woodwork, and this is the end result of it. So Elfo will be giving us more details of how they came around with this. Like I promised you, this year was for roofing. As I said earlier, I told you that it's going to be a roofing year where we're going to be doing a lot of roofing. So that's what I'm giving to you, and we've started like long ago, and I've explained it's the same process, right? So I just want to show the finishing of it. If you want to see more of how to start and finish off roofing, you can go to my playlist. It's FO. If you go to FO Carpenter, if you look at the previous videos, that we have breakdown step by step the names of every section. FO has it all. I don't want to be repeating the same thing over and over and over. So this video is just to show you the top finishing and introduce you to this new project, which the townhouse at at Timpoku, close to Royal Senchi, will be coming on this channel very soon. So just watch out for it. So next we have a Roof Depot, which is one of the companies that EFO is working with. They've collaborated, and when EFO does the woodwork, the company will come and take estimate. We give to the client. If the client accepts, then they will start with the production of the roofing sheet. But you can also go with any roofing company that you feel like. You always have to check the estimate and just see which one is the best for you. But you always have to look at what they are giving you, the quality that they are giving you. So that will be in our next episode. When they are done with the roofing sheets, we'll give you that update also. So there's so much coming from this project. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly please do so. And as I always say, this is just the beginning, right? So, just wait till, we start with the finishes of all the project that we started, I think 2 to 3 years ago, right? Then you understand where we came from and where we are going and the direction that we are going. I can promise you there are bigger things coming on this channel, but we're taking everything step by step because I believe in going through the process, right? So you can see the foundation footing is already coming up, and you can check out a view from this angle. You can see the hilly landscape of this particular project, which will be coming up. So watch out for that. So without no wasting much time, let's get into the interview. Let's ask Ifo one or two things about this project.
Good day, everybody. Today I have Mr. Chris on site. He's going to tell us about this project.
Um, uh, Good morning or afternoon or evening.
Depending on where you are.
Yeah. So this is another project for us again from Vigo Production Group channel. Mm. So the client call. So we came to the site for the measurement like the way we normally did it. So I can take the measurement, then I do the estimate for the man. He forward the money, we go for the material, then we start the top. Now we finish everything. So we are waiting for the roofing sheet people to come and they have
I saw one guy. He was
yeah,
taking the measurement.
that is the roof depot our company. So he take the measurement already. So we now them to they are going to give us the estimate for the roofing sheet so that we take it from there, then we carry on again.
So you are the one who provides the roofing sheets company. Like you have a contract with them, or
Yeah, I have a contract with them, or I'm working with them. The roof
okay,
depot, yeah. So the timber worker, I'm the one do the timber work too. Yeah.
so immediately you are done with the woods, the structure, then
Yes.
you will inform them.
Yeah, immediately I finish the structure, then I inform them. They also come. Then they'll come and pick my measurement so that they'll cut the roofing sheet for the measurement.
Okay, okay. So what has been your challenge in this area? You didn't mention the name of the area.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Where
yeah.
are we?
Now we are in Atimpoku. Like you from Tema going to Ho or Akosombo. So that's where we are right now. But we like this some hotel on our front there. You see Royal Century or something like that. Yeah. So we are in that area. So now we are in Atimpoku. Yeah.
So what has been your challenge in this
Oh, the challenge for the area, the place there, I like the place.
area?
Because here to us, you can see the train road past the house in front. The place, small time, if we are developed, not good, like it will look nice. It will
Yeah,
look
there
nice.
are so many
Yeah, nice house
nice house around.
around here. They normally use us for that, or you go and buy the material for them so that you work. But that one, normally how we did it, like, the estimate come out and everything. We take about 70% of the money before we do the work. We will start the work for you. But immediately we finish the work, then you give us the 30%, the remaining balance. That's what we did here. And so now we are waiting for the man to push the balance so that
Me and my squad, then we move from here, then we go to different side. We are all over the world. Maybe from here south, we will be going to Inzima, Western region. We will be going to Inzima, Western region. So we have about three projects there that we have to go there. Then we have a look at it. I go there already, so now the clients are ready. Only say we get time, we go there, then we start for them also, so that them also have them house or project go on. So this is a Gigo production group. So this is a food that is talking. Normally they say they are not seeing food, but this is a food.
So that was Ifo and Na Amele for you. And I think most of you would also like to know more about this, particular project. So this is going to be a four-bedroom house. We have one bedroom downstairs and then a three-bedroom upstairs. Later I will let you guys know if the owner wants to sell or rent. I'll get more information for you guys. So stay tuned. Like I said, to this particular project, construction is still ongoing here. As you can see, they are casting of the pillars, right? So someone will also like to know how much it costs, for the whole, roofing, the woodwork, and the total cost for all the, the timber work and the labor is 51,497 Ghana cedis. So that is the total cost, including the materials, which is the wood, the nails, and also the labor work, right? So that's like 51,497, Ghana cedis. And this was done in September 2024, right? So this is just to give you an idea how much it cost for this roofing. And also please note that the cost doesn't include the roofing sheet, so that is going to be something separate, right? So this is just the wood and the labor work, right? That's 51,479, Ghana cedis. If you like what you see and you want AFO to also do your roofing for you, that is his number on the screen. You call him and then you deal with him directly. He can come to your site, take a measurement and then give you estimate. But please, right, if he gives you the estimate and you know that you're not going to use him because maybe his charges is too much or for whatever reason, kindly please do, at least give him some percentage of the transportation that he came to your site to do the measurement, because that's also work, right? So this is if you are not going to use him. But if he gives you the estimate and you think he's the guy and you want to use him for your roofing, then I mean, yeah, there's no need to give him, that transportation. But if you want to give it, fine. But I mean, if I mean, he's getting job from that effort, so I will understand if you're not going to give him, transportation. But if you know you're not going to use him, but he came to your site to give you the estimate, I mean, the thank you can say is right, is, just giving him some transportation, right? Because at least the estimate he's going to give you is going to be a guide for you to compare with other people, right? So it's still work, right? So please, let's watch out. This doesn't only go to FO, but it goes to, most of the artisans, not only from my channel, but across board, right? So if someone comes to your site to take estimate, at least if you are not going to use the person, that estimate is going to serve as a guide, which is going to guide you, right, with with foregoing with the other person that you think who is giving you the best quality. This is not compulsory, but it is a nice way of saying, thank you, right, for, the effort that the person, took to, give you that estimate. Because estimate is about calculation, right? It is not just, putting some numbers down, or they have to come and calculate, take measurement. So it's work, it's work. So this is just a suggestion I'm just putting out there, not for only my workers, but, across board, right? So this just by the way. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for the latest update of this project. As I said, I have more details of this project coming, to you. We have swimming pool coming and all kinds of amenities for this, particular project, which is the Atimpoku project. So please do subscribe so that when I create the playlist, you get easy access to follow the progress, which can motivate you to also start doing something back home. So thanks once again, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.